My dear students, let's start with revision of exercise 14A. Okay? Now, come to the question number 4. Fourth question from the exercise 14A. Question is, what will be the labor charge for tiling a hall 22-meter long and 17-meter wide at the rate of rupees 8 per square meter? So tell me, what is the first step to solve this sum? Write down your response in the chat box. If you want to solve this sum, then what is the first step? Yes? Anyone? Ranesh, what is the first step? Ranesh, unmute yourself. Yes. Ranesh, what is the first step? The first step is to write the given information. Okay? Given information. Write down given information. Which information is given to you? The given information is hall 22-meter long. Length is equal to 22 meter and breadth is equal to 17 meter. Okay? This information is given to you. Now, what is the next step? This question is based on which concept, area or perimeter? Yes, Angel, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Angel, this question is based on which concept? The concept of area or concept of perimeter?
Area.
Okay. How? Explain. As the question is based on tiling a hall. The question is based on tiling a hall. आपने हॉल में टाइल्स अप्लाई करनी है. So you will apply the tiles inside the hall ना. So that's why the concept of area. Now area of rectangle is, what is the formula that we will use to find the area of rectangle? Pratigya, what is the formula? Very good. Very good, Natansh. Length multiplied by breadth. This is the formula area of rectangle. 22 multiplied by 17. Now do the cancellation and write down your result in the chat box. Multiply 22 by 17 and write down your result in the chat box. Yes. Multiplication of 22 by 17. What is the result? Radhika, what is the result? Very good, Ranesh and Angel. Very good, Natansh. 374 meter. This is correct. Ranesh, 374 meter. Is this correct? राधिका बेटा 437 नहीं है, 374 you will get after the multiplication. Okay, so 374 meter square. As the question is based on area, so you will write down the unit of area. The unit of area is meter square. Fine. Now next part. The question is, what will be the labor charge? The question is to find out the labor charge, and labor charge of 8 per square meter is given to you. Okay. Now, cost of 1 square meter is equal to Cost of 1 square meter is given to you rupees 8. This information is given to you. Now, cost of 1 square meter is equal to rupees 8. Cost of 374 square meter. Tell me, you will apply multiplication or division? Ranesh, pay attention in the class. Now tell me, multiplication or division here? Komal? Very good. Multiply. So 8 multiplied by 374. Do the multiplication and tell me the result. Very good, Pavani. 2,992 rupees. 2,992. So this is the labor charge. In the end, you will write result. Labor charge is equal to rupees 2,992. So like this you will solve the sum. First of all, you will write down the given information. After that, apply the formula according to the question. If the question is based on perimeter, then you will apply the formula of perimeter. If the question is based on area, then you will apply the formula of area. Okay. Then cost of per. So you will write here cost of 1 square meter is equal to rupees 8. But you will find out the cost of this thing. Okay. So cost of 374 square meter is equal to 8 multiplied by 374. Now students, this question is clear to you? If yes, then raise your thumb. Yes, this question is clear to you? Good. Darsh, question is clear to you? Okay. Now come to the question number 8. Okay. Now I am going to explain 8th question. Eighth question. Question is, how many bricks are required, okay, to build a wall of height 2.88 meter? Tell me 2.88 meter. This is correct. Kratigya? 2.88 meter. 88 meter. This is correct. So, Pratigya, unmute yourself. Yes. Pratigya, क्या आएगा बेटा फिर 2.88 नहीं है तो? Yes. Pratigya, unmute yourself. Yes, 2.88. Yes, very good, Radhika. Ranesh, 2.88.
Ma'am, 2.88.
Very good, very good. Yes, good, good. Well done. 2.88. Well done. And width 50 centimeter. If the length of each brick is 12 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Now, tell me, how can we solve this sum? Yes, students? How can we solve this sum? Anyone, if you want to reply, then raise your hand. Anyone, if you want to reply this, raise your hands. How many bricks are required to build a wall of height 2.88 meter, width 50 centimeter, if the length of each brick is 12 centimeter and breadth is 10? Ranesh, you want to reply? Now unmute yourself. Yes, tell me, Ranesh.
मैम पहले हम गिवन लिखेंगे.
Yes, in the given information, in the given information, you will write what?
मैम वॉल की हाइट 2.88 मीटर एंड विथ 50 सेंटीमीटर.
In wall, height is given.
मैम और ब्रिक
Height is given to you
2.88.
Yes, 2.88
88.
meter, and width means breadth. Width means breadth. Breadth is given to you 50 meter. Now tell me what about next?
मैम
50
मैम
centimeter.
मीटर की.
Yes. Now what about next?
मैम ब्रिक की भी गिवन लिखेंगे.
Very good. On
मैम
second
ब्रिक
side
की
you will
हाइट
write
12 सेंटीमीटर.
brick. Here you will write brick. And one more thing, students. Like this ना, ये कोई लिखना कंपल्सरी नहीं है, आप नीचे नीचे भी कर सकते हो, आपकी अपनी विश है. मैं पार्टीशन में लिखवाती हूँ, अगर आपने नीचे नीचे डाउन डाउन लिखना वो भी आप लिख सकते हो, जैसे आपको कन्वीनियंट लगे. There will be no hard and fast rule. Then in case of brick we will write length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter.
10 सेंटीमीटर.
Yes, what about next?
मैम अब हमने एरिया निकालना है.
किसका?
मैम तो उसका फॉर्मूला है लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेथ.
यहाँ पे हाइट है ना, तो आप हाइट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ब्रेथ लिखो. अगर लेंथ होता then you will write length multiplied by breadth na, but here you have height and breadth, so in the area you will write down height multiplied by breadth. This thing is clear? If length is given then you will write length multiplied by
Yes,
breadth,
ma'am.
but if height is given then you will write height multiplied by breadth. Now what is the next step? Yes, any other student?
मैम
If
हम
you
2.88 मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे.
very good, well done. All the students clap for Ranesh. Well done, Ranesh. Now this is meter and rest in centimeter. Look here. This is centimeter. This is centimeter. This is centimeter. But ये तो मीटर में है. Different unit. Okay. And with different units, we are not able to solve the sum. Well done. Now, to change this to meter, what is the next? To change this meter to centimeter, what is the next step?
1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter.
Well done. Write the relation here. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 2.88 multiplied by 100, and this will change to centimeter. Okay? In place of meter, you will write 100 centimeter. Now tell me, how can you solve this?
मैम हम डेसिमल को हटा देंगे.
ठीक है, डेसिमल को हटा के डिनोमिनेटर में क्या लिखेंगे?
मैम उस 2.88
क्या लिखूं?
100.
10 लिखूं? 10 लिखूं नीचे?
मैम 100.
Very good. So 100 multiplied by 100. So 288 centimeter. Well done. Very good. Now do the calculations. So 288 multiplied by 50. Multiplication. Yes, tell me the result. After multiplication, you will get what? Students, multiply 288 by 50.
Ma'am, answer is
Solution is
14,400.
Yes, centimeter square. Now come to this side. Again, area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So 12 multiplied by 10. 120 centimeter square. Okay. So this is the area of wall and this is the area of brick. Now tell me what is the next step?
मैम हम 114,400 को 120 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर के साथ डिवाइड कर देंगे.
Very good, Ranesh. Beta, very good. Now, number of bricks. Here you will write number of bricks is equal to area of wall. Area of wall divided by area of a brick. You have to write this formula, okay? This formula is very much compulsory. You have to write number of bricks is equal to area of wall divided by area of a brick. So 14.
Ma'am, result is equal to 120 bricks.
Centimeter square cut, 0 0 cut and आपको पता है ना 12 के टेबल पे 140 को 12 पे आता है, नहीं तो डिवाइड करके देख लो. So after division you will get 120 bricks. Okay, this is correct now. Okay. So in the result you will write what is the result? 120 bricks. So like this we will solve the sum. Good efforts. Keep it up. Fine. You have to write the given information. One side you will write down wall and another side you will write down brick. This relation is very much compulsory. If the sum is of 3 marks or 4 marks, na, then very much compulsory to write this relation. Very much compulsory to write all the formulas. One more time I am going to repeat. If height is given to you, then you will not write length into breadth. Okay, as height is given to you, so in the area you will write height into breadth. And students, one more thing, try to consider different letters for wall and brick. Okay, ये पहले मैंने आपको नहीं बताया था, आज बता रही हूँ. ट्राई, अगर मैंने वॉल का कैपिटल बी लिया है ना, तो ब्रिक को स्मॉल बी डालो. डिफरेंट, थोड़ा डिफरेंस करो. अगर आपने वॉल में स्मॉल बी डाला है तो फिर ब्रिक में कौन सा बी डाल लो? कैपिटल बी. ओके, बिकॉज बोथ आर डिफरेंट. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वी हैव exercise 14b. Now students, cube and cuboid. What is the difference between cube and cuboid? Anyone? Raise your hand if you want to reply. What is the main difference between cube and cuboid? Natansh, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
मैम क्यूब में ऑल साइड इक्वल होती है.
Yes.
मैम और उसमें लेंथ और ब्रेथ सारे इक्वल होते हैं और क्यूबॉइड में अलग होते हैं.
Very good. It means cube is made up of square na, and cuboid is made up of what?
Rectangle.
Well done. Yes, this is the basic difference. Cube is formed by the combination of squares. 6 squares join to form a cube, and on another side 6 rectangles joined to form a cuboid. So this is the difference between cube and cuboid. In exam you will observe the you will observe fill in the blanks like this. Cube is made up of dash faces. If the question is cube is made up of dash faces, then you will write a sphere. Okay, and cuboid is made up of rectangular faces. Rectangular faces. Okay. Now tell me. Next is not for you, Natansh. Very good. Next we have number of vertices in a cube or cuboid. Yes. Anyone? Agree, unmute yourself. Agree, unmute yourself. Divya, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Divya, number of vertices in a cube or cuboid.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Number of vertices in a cube or cuboid. अभी 2-3 days पहले भी मैंने ये क्वेश्चन करवाया था.
Ma'am, 8.
Yes, very good. So number of vertices in a cube or cuboid 8. Okay. Vertices means corners. Fine. Good. Now next we have area. Sorry, volume. Volume of cube and volume of cuboid and unit of volume. Anyone? Yes. Raghav, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Raghav, volume of cube.
Ma'am, side into side into side.
Very good. So side into side into side. And what about cuboid?
Length into breadth into height.
Length into breadth into height. And what about the unit of volume?
Centimeter power 3.
Well done.
Meter.
Or cubic centimeter. Write anything. Okay? If you write cubic centimeter ना, then this dot is compulsory. अगर आपने सेंटीमीटर क्यूब के प्लेस पे ऐसे लिख रहे क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, you have to put this dot. Whenever you will write the short form of anything in maths, na dot is compulsory. Well done, Raghav. Very good. Now come to the next question. Find the volume. Find the volume. Length is given to you 500 centimeter. Breadth is given to you 200 centimeter and height is given to you 1.6 meter. Any student? Radhika, centimeter cube is the unit. Centimeter power 3. Okay? Centimeter raised to the power 3 is the unit of volume. Because in volume we have 3 dimensions now. One is length, second is breadth and third is height. 3 dimensions means length, breadth, height, power 3. Okay? Radhika, clear to you? Good. Now, anyone, if you want to reply this question, find the volume. Length is given to you, breadth is given to you and height is given to you. Tell me, how can we solve this sum? Very good, Komal. Well done. Devyanshi, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Devyanshi, tell me.
Ma'am, length multiply by breadth multiply by height.
Volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Okay. So direct
Yes.
multiplication is possible here.
Ma'am, no.
Why? What is the reason?
Ma'am, height में हमको change करना है
Well
centimeter.
done. This is centimeter, this is centimeter, this is meter. So first of all, you will change this meter to centimeter. Very good. So first of all, write down the relation as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is the relation. Fine. Now, height is 1.6 multiplied by 100 centimeter. So 16 upon 10 multiplied by 100 centimeter. Do the cancellation. 0, 0 cut. 160 centimeter. Now, Devyanshi, now this is okay now?
Ma'am, yes.
Now, length in centimeter, breadth in centimeter, height in centimeter. सारे centimeter में आ गए. Now, length is 500, breadth is 200, and height is 160. Okay. No need to multiply 0, 0. Only multiply the main numbers. Only multiply main numbers. 0 हम बाद में खुद ही अप्लाई कर देंगे. Only multiply the main numbers. Means 5 into 2 into 16. No need to do like this. टाइम वेस्ट होगा आपका. कोई जरूरत नहीं है ऐसे करने की. जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई कर करके टाइम मत वेस्ट करना. सिंपल मल्टीप्लाई द मेन नंबर्स. The main number is 5, the main number is 2, and the main number is 16. Now 5 2s are 10, 160. Okay. So here 160. After that count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter power 3. Okay, like this we will solve the sum.
Okay, ma'am.
Students?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So like this. So length is given to you, breadth is given to you, and height is given to you. And बेटा मैंने मैसेज सेंड कर दिया था. आपका टेस्ट मंडे को है. ऑन मंडे मैथ्स टेस्ट. टुमारो इज अ हॉलीडे. सो कल कोई टेस्ट नहीं है आपका. आपका टेस्ट कब है? मंडे को. मंडे को होगा आपका टेस्ट. फाइन. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव, write down the next question and note down the time also. Yes, yes, online test. बेटा ऑनलाइन ही होगा मुस्कान. Online test from 4 to 4:50. This is the time for maths test. Note down. Time for maths test on Monday. Note down. 4 to 4:50 p.m. not am. Okay. सुबह सुबह मत उठ जाना. बिफोर am को हमारा टेस्ट है. 4 p.m. to 4:50 p.m. ऑन टीचमेंट. सभी का जो स्कूल आ रहे हैं उनका भी ऑनलाइन ही होना है सभी का घर पे. मंडे को आपका वो टेस्ट होगा स्कूल में जो आपका होता है शेड्यूल के अकॉर्डिंग. मैथ्स टेस्ट आपका सैटरडे वाला मंडे होगा 4 p.m. to 4:50 p.m. फाइन. Yes. Side. Next question is, side is given to you 19 centimeter. Find the volume of. Tell me यहाँ क्या आएगा? According to you यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? Side is given to you 19 centimeter. Find the volume of क्या? Cube or cuboid? Yes, students, write down in the chat box according to you यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए. Side is 19 centimeter. Find the volume of what? Cube or cuboid? Yes, cube. Find out the volume of cube. Good. So let's start. This is the given information. Solution. Given information. Side is equal to 19 centimeter. Volume is side multiplied by side multiplied by side. Okay. So here you will write 19 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 19. Do the multiplication and write down your result in the chat box. And one more thing, students, you have to show each and every calculation in fair. During exam, as your exams are online, ये नहीं है अभी इसको multiply किया और यहाँ पे आपने result लिख दिया. No, you have to mention each and every calculation in fair. 19 को 19 से multiply करना है, fair में करना है. फिर result को 19 से multiply करना है, again in fair. So each and every calculation in fair, not in rough. Fine. बेटा इतनी जल्दी आपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर भी ली, इतने फास्ट हो आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन में. वेरी गुड. अभी मैंने बोला है आपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर भी लिया. कैलकुलेटर से तो नहीं करते, क्योंकि मुझे लगता नहीं है कि ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन इतनी क्विकली हो जाती है जितनी क्विकली आप यहाँ पे रिजल्ट लिख रहे हो. Six 6,859 centimeter cube. Yes. So this is the result. Fine. Students, rest we will discuss on Monday. Okay. Rest part we will discuss on Monday. Bye. We'll meet you on Monday. Okay.